morning and welcome to the Waverider Morning News. I'm Tommy.
And I'm Brooklyn. Today is Wednesday, February 28th, 2018. It is the 106th day of school.
February reading logs are due today. Please be sure your first and last name are on your log.
Friday is Dr. Seuss's birthday and Read Across America Day. Let's celebrate by wearing red, black, and white, the colors of the cat in the hat. Again, Friday is Dr. Seuss's birthday and Read Across America Day. Let's celebrate by wearing red, black, and white, the colors of the cat in the hat.
March is National Reading Month. Here's a special announcement from Miss Felton.
Good morning, Waveriders. I have some great news. March is National Reading Month, and Dr. Seuss's birthday is Friday, March 2nd. To help celebrate National Reading Month, the Wizard of Reading will be presenting one of his popular shows called Seuss-tastic here at Ocean Lakes. The Wizard of Reading has been presenting shows about the books and stories of Dr. Seuss to kids all over Virginia. So on Monday, March 12th, you will be a part of this fantastic show. Make sure you are here and ready to see a magical show with the Wizard of Reading. And by the way, the reading team has great things planned for the month of March.
Today ends our Great Kindness Challenge. Waveriders, please continue your acts of kindness because kindness matters.
Here are today's digital citizenship reminders. Saying something unkind and adding "just kidding" does not make it okay.
Making threats online even when you're not serious can have very real consequences. So do your best to be a super digital citizen. There is no such thing as just kidding when it comes to threats.
This week's vocabulary word of the week is vivid. The word vivid is an adjective. An example of the word vivid in a sentence would be, memories of the New Year's Eve party are still vivid.
Try to write a sentence using this week's word of the week. Be sure to put your sentence in the box on stage by tomorrow afternoon. Good luck!
Today's lunch is a choice of Domino's Pizza, pork barbecue on bun, yogurt and crunch mania, PB&J sandwich, or fresh chef salad and flatbread.
Now it's time for the weather with McKaylin.
Currently under mostly cloudy skies, the temperature is 37 degrees Fahrenheit. The barometric pressure is 1,024 millibars steady. Winds are calm. The humidity this morning is 89%. In the past 24 hours, we have received no rain at Ocean Lakes. The National Weather Service forecast calls for a cloudy day with a 70% chance of showers this evening. Today's high temperature will be 63 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight's low temperature will be 51 degrees Fahrenheit. The 4-day outlook calls for showers likely tomorrow, then mostly sunny and breezy Friday through Sunday. High temperatures will be in the mid-60s tomorrow, in the upper 50s Friday, then in the low 50s for the weekend. That's all for today's weather. Now back to Brooklyn and Tommy.
Thank you, McKaylin. Those are all the announcements for today. I'm Brooklyn.
And I'm Tommy.
Have a wacky Wednesday.